Winaka.
Honorable Admiral Prime Minister, thank you very much for your precious time.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Here in the office.
Thank you for coming to see us. Your Excellency.
My ambassador, and this is my deputy for emergency response, and this is Inspector General, and this is my staff, my secretary.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Please, Minister.
Yeah.
Thank you, Excellency.
Yes, Honorable
Thank you.
Admiral, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Very happy to see between the two Navy guys. Yeah, wish you all the best and wish you all great success.
Thank you, Excellency.
Enjoy the work.
Thank you. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.